Over the course of human history, our relationship with the natural world has undergone a profound transformation. From our earliest days as hunter-gatherers to the rise of agriculture, we have relied on the bounty of nature for sustenance. But as our populations have swelled and our demands have grown, the delicate balance of this relationship has been disrupted. Global food production, the very foundation of human civilization, is now a major contributor to climate change, with greenhouse gas emissions from agriculture accounting for a significant portion. Current agricultural practices, often characterized by deforestation, intensive farming, and the heavy use of pesticides and fertilizers, are taking a devastating toll on our environment. The challenge before us is clear. We must find a way to nourish a growing population while preserving the health of our planet for generations to come. Deep within the bustling heart of a high-tech laboratory, a revolution is brewing. Here, scientists are pioneering a groundbreaking solution to the environmental challenges posed by traditional animal agriculture lab-grown meat. Imagine a world where the need to raise and slaughter billions of animals for food is a relic of the past. This is the promise of cellular agriculture. The process begins with a small sample of animal cells, typically extracted through a harmless biopsy. These cells, containing the genetic blueprint for muscle tissue, are then placed in a nutrient-rich broth, providing them with all the essential building blocks they need to grow and multiply. Within this carefully controlled environment, the cells are coaxed into forming muscle fibers, the very essence of meat. Layer upon layer, these fibers intertwine and mature, eventually developing into a product that is virtually indistinguishable from conventionally produced meat. Lab-grown meat has the potential to significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions associated with livestock farming, a major contributor to climate change. By eliminating the need for vast grazing lands, it could help combat deforestation and protect vital ecosystems. Moreover, cellular agriculture offers a more humane alternative to factory farming, sparing countless animals from the cramped and often cruel conditions of industrial agriculture. And because meat production can be tightly controlled in a laboratory setting, the risk of contamination and the spread of animal-borne diseases can be greatly reduced. As research progresses and production costs decrease, this revolutionary technology has the potential to transform the way we think about meat consumption and its impact on our planet. This is the tantalizing promise of lab-grown meat, a testament to human ingenuity and our unwavering pursuit of a more sustainable future. In the concrete jungles of our most densely populated cities, a new breed of farm is taking root, one that reaches for the sky instead of sprawling across vast tracts of land. This is the innovative world of vertical farming, a testament to human ingenuity and our determination to cultivate food in harmony with nature. Imagine towering structures bathed in the warm glow of LED lights, where rows upon rows of leafy greens, vibrant vegetables, and even delicate fruits flourish in perfect harmony. Within these climate-controlled towers, plants are nurtured with meticulous care. Every aspect of their environment, from temperature and humidity to light exposure and nutrient delivery, is precisely calibrated to optimize growth and maximize yield. Unlike traditional farming, which is often at the mercy of unpredictable weather patterns and susceptible to pests and diseases, vertical farms offer a controlled and predictable environment, ensuring a consistent and reliable supply of fresh produce year-round. By growing crops in stacked layers, this innovative approach drastically reduces the amount of land required for agriculture, freeing up valuable space for other uses such as housing, parks, or even rewilding efforts. Moreover, vertical farms utilize sophisticated water recycling systems, significantly reducing water consumption compared to conventional agriculture. And because crops are grown in a closed environment, the need for pesticides and herbicides is virtually eliminated, protecting both human health and the delicate balance of our ecosystems. As the world's population continues to grow and urban centers expand, vertical farming offers a beacon of hope for a more sustainable and resilient food future. Across the globe, a quiet revolution is taking place in the fields of agriculture, driven not by brute force or heavy machinery, but by the power of data and the precision of technology. This is the realm of precision agriculture, where farmers are harnessing the latest advancements in sensors, data analytics, and artificial intelligence to optimize crop production and minimize environmental impact. Imagine a farm where every decision, from irrigation schedules and fertilizer application to pest control and harvesting times, is guided by real-time data and scientific insights. At the heart of this revolution lies an intricate network of sensors strategically placed throughout the farm. These sensors act as the eyes and ears of the operation, constantly monitoring a wide range of variables including soil moisture, nutrient levels, plant health, and even microclimate conditions. The data collected by these sensors is then fed into sophisticated software programs that analyze patterns, identify trends, and generate actionable insights. Armed with this information, farmers can make informed decisions about how to best manage their crops, optimizing resource use and maximizing yield. By optimizing resource use, this data-driven approach can significantly reduce the environmental impact of agriculture, from decreasing water consumption and fertilizer runoff to minimizing greenhouse gas emissions. Across the globe, a culinary transformation is underway, driven by a growing appetite for sustainable, healthy, and ethically sourced food. At the heart of this revolution lies a humble yet powerful group of ingredients: plant-based proteins. From lentils and chickpeas to tofu and tempeh, these nutritional powerhouses are capturing the imaginations of chefs and home cooks alike, offering a delicious and versatile alternative to animal-based proteins. Long a staple in many cultures around the world, plant-based proteins are now experiencing a surge in popularity, driven by a confluence of factors, including growing awareness of the environmental impact of meat production, concerns about animal welfare, and a desire for healthier and more sustainable dietary choices. Packed with protein, fiber, vitamins and minerals, they offer a wide range of health benefits, from reducing the risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes to improving digestion and boosting energy levels. They are incredibly versatile, lending themselves to a wide array of culinary creations, from hearty stews and flavorful curries to innovative burgers and even decadent desserts. Food scientists and entrepreneurs are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible, creating plant-based meats, cheeses, and dairy products that mimic the taste and texture of their animal-derived counterparts with remarkable accuracy. These plant-based alternatives are not only appealing to vegetarians and vegans, but are also attracting a growing number of omnivores who are looking to reduce their meat consumption for health, environmental, or ethical reasons. From ancient grains to cutting-edge meat alternatives, the world of plant-based proteins is ripe with possibilities, offering a tantalizing glimpse into a future where delicious and sustainable eating go hand in hand. In many parts of the world, insects have long been a staple food source, prized for their nutritional value and culinary versatility. Now, as the global community grapples with the challenge of feeding a growing population sustainably, insects are emerging as a promising solution, offering a protein-rich and environmentally friendly alternative to traditional livestock. While the thought of eating insects may seem unusual or even unappetizing to some, it's important to remember that food preferences are often culturally determined. Insects are incredibly efficient at converting feed into body mass, requiring far less land, water, and energy than traditional livestock. For example, crickets require 6 times less feed than cattle to produce the same amount of protein. Moreover, insect farming produces significantly fewer greenhouse gases than traditional livestock agriculture, making it a more environmentally friendly option. And because insects can be raised on organic waste streams, they offer a unique opportunity to create a more circular food system. From a nutritional standpoint, insects are a powerhouse of protein, vitamins, and minerals. Cricket flour, for example, can be used to make protein bars, pasta, and even baked goods, adding a nutritional boost without compromising on taste or texture. As the world searches for sustainable solutions to our growing food needs, insects offer a compelling option, one that challenges our preconceived notions and encourages us to explore the full potential of the natural world. As we've journeyed together to the frontiers of food innovation, we've witnessed the remarkable ingenuity and unwavering commitment of individuals and organizations working tirelessly to create a more sustainable and equitable food system for all. From the high-tech labs where scientists are cultivating meat without the need for animals to the vertical farms reaching for the sky in our urban centers, the future of food is being rewritten before our very eyes. By embracing innovation, supporting sustainable practices, and making conscious choices about the food we consume, we can all play a role in shaping a more just and sustainable food future for generations to come. The journey ahead may be challenging, But the rewards of a healthier planet and a more equitable food system are well worth the effort.